are an evil, evil man. You are evil.
Oh my God.
This is the world's hottest chocolate bar.
Yes. It's okay. World's hottest chocolate. This is by sent to us by my friend Nathan Stackhouse. He's
Thank you, Nathan.
He sent us. He's a same. Is he the same one that sent to us, Satan? Sorry if you are, or if you're not. If I'm wrong, I should read these things. I'm trying to remember. I think he's the one that he sent us hot stuff before that more than once. So thank you. He did send us the last dab sauce. So that's
You're just
awesome
trying to make
too.
it awkward, huh?
I'm making it awkward.
To make it even more, I'm sure you know these two. I guess I'm the Crossman meat and the Lawrence sandwich.
He sat down because it was right here. Crossman's like, chocolate is my blood type. I'm
You
going to
chose
have
your
some
spot.
of this.
Yes, it's like O positive, literally, or chocolate positive.
Chocolate positive.
Yes, chocolate positive.
O positive, chocolate positive.
Same thing.
So this is the world's hottest chocolate bar. Yeah, flamethrower. This is eat at your own risk. Now, nobody has any respiratory issues or any. You will after you eat this.
I'm good.
So you don't want any
digestion
before.
issues?
Digestion issues. You don't have any of that, I hope.
No, I think I'm totally good.
We're cutting the seal.
You know, the first thing that caught my eye here was the fact that it said it is Hellfire infused milk
Yes,
chocolate.
whatever that means. Before we actually will cut that, I gotta take a picture of it here. World's hottest chocolate bar.
I guess we should have read the disclaimer, the big
Yeah.
warning label.
The warning. You want to run through the warning label real
on the
quick?
tag. Warning.
Warning.
This 12-piece chocolate bar is extremely spicy and is not to be consumed by those sensitive to spicy foods
I'm not.
All right.
Obvious. I couldn't
or
either.
anyone with any existing heart or respiratory conditions. Good?
Good and good.
Good to go?
I'm
Good to
good.
go.
Okay. All right. The world's hottest, in all caps, chocolate bar has potential to cause skin and or mouth irritation and should be kept out of reach of children and pets.
Well,
Shit.
we are children, but that's all right. That's why we're doing this.
That's right.
Because this is a childish thing to do, to eat that world's hottest chocolate.
That's exactly what I was told.
So let's see how bad it is.
Consume at your own risk.
This product contains high amounts of pure chili extract and is to be handled with extreme caution.
Yeah, once you
Consume at
touch
your
it,
own risk.
One thing about the
That's what
chocolate
the
here,
week
once you touch it, it's chocolate gets on your fingers easy. You know, we always like to lick our fingers after eating a chocolate bar. I'm gonna suggest that you not do that after eating this
It
chocolate
breaks
bar.
into 12 pieces.
Breaks into 12 pieces.
Oh wow, look at they're so tiny.
We're just gonna do one dab each. So I broke it. Yeah,
Sorry.
I know. Everyone is now.
That was
Wow.
horrible.
Wow. That went downhill real fast.
Hey, my kids would be proud. My kids would be totally
The
proud.
kids, it's a.
My kids
it's
would
our
disown
Twitter.
me.
I know.
Sorry.
So I'm
My
trying to
kids.
put this piece back in so that it melts. So this is for later because other people are gonna want to try this because I don't think we're gonna get past these couple little pieces without crying.
Put a little piece on my napkin there. Thank you, sir. Okay,
Are we ready?
I guess.
I guess it's just.
Are we doing a countdown or are you just...
I'm just gonna do it.
You ready?
Okay.
I'm gonna let it melt.
Wow.
Wow, that's hot.
Well, that's insane. I can't believe how small of a piece I'm eating. I'll take a picture.
Oh no, I chewed it. Oh no, I chewed it. Oh no, I chewed it.
Didn't you learn anything from Satan's toe?
No.
Oh my God, this is really bad.
Okay, I took it. I can't. It is so hot.
But it's
Doing it
chocolate.
First of all, the warning label should say, "Warning: This is not freaking chocolate."
It tastes like chocolate.
It has a reminiscent taste of chocolate, but it's so hot.
It tasted like chocolate for not even 0.2 hundredths of a second.
Well, I'm used to hot food, so it still tastes like chocolate.
Woo!
Oh, wow. My tongue is numb.
My whole mouth is gone.
Oh man, that's bad.
Whatever you do,
Oh,
I'm gonna beat the table because I think it helps. The water would help. Oh, I don't know if the water. Does the water make it worse? Okay.
It spread the chocolate throughout my entire mouth when I took a sip.
I kind of want to wipe my tongue off with this now. Oh, my nose is watering. That's really hot. That helped. Oh, no, no. Oh. It's back in.
Oh, man.
I don't think the chocolate milk helped. Ooh. This is like regret. This is way hotter than most.
Okay.
This is hotter than that last stab stuff.
Who sent this?
Stackhouse.
Stackhouse.
I'm gonna do a little more of this though.
If you sent the toe of Satan, you are an evil man. You are evil.
Oh, my God.
This is,
Oh, I can
this
feel
is no
it in my
joke. Now,
chest.
if anyone's watched any other videos on this channel about hot sauce, they watched all of us eat a lot of hot sauce.
This is the hottest
This
shit.
is the hottest one.
This is the hottest shit.
Employees
Winner.
are trying to throw. Winner. This is really.
And look, it's best. The label's my birthday. Oh my God. Winner, chicken dinner, man.
Try this
That's
now.
the hottest thing I've ever had.
That is.
That's hotter than that flashbang extra. That's hotter than
He's
any
done
extract.
flashbang.
That's hotter than any extract I've
We got
done.
reference on this. This is crazy.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. My wife is going to make fun of me. Everyone is going to make fun of us. But I dare you. Literally, I dare you.
go.
I dare you to try this.
Well,
Oh my
it's
gosh.
not gone. I'm looking at the timer.
No.
How long we've been doing this? It's still not gone.
No. It's literally, it feels like the chocolate is still in the same spot on my tongue.
Yes.
Oh,
Is there any cheese in there?
I'm sorry. Can we like keep this rolling so I can like?
There.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That
I'm almost shaking it.
that is the hottest thing I've ever had in my life.
Whew.
Something on an ice cube helps.
That is the hottest thing.
He's gonna call us.
I'm FaceTiming my fan. Hello.
He just ate the hottest food ever. Oh my gosh. I think it's hot.
Oh my gosh, it's the hottest thing.
I thought he was gonna be dialing 911. I know
What
it's
does it
calling.
look like?
Oh, honey, it's chocolate, but it was
It's
literally
insane.
the
I need
size
to
of
go
a
see
small
if there's
piece.
cheese.
I just want to let you know I'm okay.
Hi, eat another one.
No,
No.
no, I love you.
Love you.
That was my daughter. She's laughing at me. Hi, Savannah. Hi, honey. Jeez Louise. Oh my gosh.
I'm gonna eating cheese now.
I don't
Are
eat
you-
cheese, isn't that weird?
Yeah, I don't trust people who don't eat cheese.
Woo! I don't trust
You're never-
redheads. They have no soul.
I was gonna say, are you lactose intolerant? But
You know what? I don't drink milk. The only time I do is every once in a great while.
When you come here.
A good old chocolate milk when I come here and roast my loins.
oh my gosh,
My nose is still watering.
my mouth is.
Can I be honest? 100% honest. The level that I compare shit to is like normal people who can eat hot shit, and Steve.
Yeah.
Okay? Steve, if you watch this, I'm telling you,
It's hot.
this is going to break you.
I don't think so. We're gonna do. Steve's gonna do this tomorrow.
This is gonna break you.
I hope so.
Mark my words.
Make him do more than one.
Oh, Steve's eating the whole candy bar.
No way. He would go into cardiac arrest. That was hot. That was hot.
Still is. My mouth is still on fire.
That's so hot.
I'm good now.
It's starting to fade, but it's hot.
Ugh.
The cheese helped. Did the cheese help you? Mm-hmm. No? Okay.
Here, you want the rest of it back?
Yeah. I'm thinking the cheese helped.
No, this is what helps. Ice
I
cubes.
think it's just a different flavor in my mouth.
I just needed the ice cubes.
Well, there you go. This is hot. It's absolutely no joke. I'll leave a link to where you can buy this.
Still tastes like chocolate though.
It did not.
Well,
at all.
I tasted
I
the
can still
chocolate.
taste the chocolate.
No, I can't taste anything.
I
I'm
tasted
not
the
going to
chocolate,
be able to
but-
taste anything for a month.
But yeah, no joke. World's Hottest Chocolate Bar. This thing's insane. Hellfire is
Yeah, I think that's honest advertising there.
Hellfire infused for sure. Mm-hmm. But I know the name of the site is Vault something, but I'll leave a link to where you buy these online. They sell a lot of other good hot sauces.
I do not recommend it if you cannot handle hot shit.
It is crazy. That
That was good.
was good though.
That was good.
Thanks for watching us.
I'd do another one.
Melissa, how about now? Maybe tomorrow.
Oh, do one right now. Go ahead, guys.
You want to do another one right now?
I have no interest. I'm good.
Come on, let's do one more.
I'm not doing more. You can, but
Come on, let's do one more.
The burn's gone. We will do some hot sauce. I got some habaneros after this. We'll do that. All right, thanks.
See you later.
Thanks.
No way. I totally would not eat another one right now.